Waking up tomorrow to find out your car broke down, or you suddenly lose your job. Would you be financially ready to handle it? Most people would not. Studies show that nearly half of Americans cannot cover an unexpected $1,000 expense without borrowing or using credit cards. That's exactly why having an emergency fund is not just smart, it's essential. In this video, we are breaking down how to build your emergency fund step by step so you can protect yourself from life's surprises and gain true financial peace of mind. Welcome to Rich Map, where we help you take control of your money and map your way to financial freedom. Let's get straight into it. The first step in saving for an emergency fund is understanding what it really is. An emergency fund is not your vacation savings, not your shopping money, and definitely not your "I saw something cool on Amazon" fund. It's strictly for real emergencies, things like job loss, medical bills, urgent car repairs, or emergency travel. The goal of this fund is to give you a financial cushion so you do not have to rely on debt when unexpected costs hit. Now, the second step is figuring out exactly how much you need. This part depends on your situation. If you are just starting, your first goal should be small. Try saving $1,000 as a starter fund. That amount is enough to handle most minor emergencies and gives you momentum. Once you have hit that, you can aim higher. Ideally, you want 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses saved. Step 3 is creating a realistic savings plan. You do not need to put away huge chunks of money overnight. Start small and stay consistent. Let's say you can save $50 a week. That's $200 a month, or $2,400 in a year without any side hustle, just discipline. Automate your savings if you can. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to a dedicated emergency savings account right after you get paid. Treat it like a bill, non-negotiable. The less you think about it, the easier it becomes. Step 4 is choosing where to keep your emergency fund. You want a place that's safe, accessible, but not too accessible. A high-yield savings account is perfect for this. It keeps your money separate from your everyday spending, earns a bit of interest, and can be accessed quickly when you actually need it. Avoid investing this money in stocks or risky assets. The goal here is not to grow it. Fast, it's to make sure it's there when you need it. Step 5. Track your expenses and identify where you can save more. You cannot build an emergency fund if you do not know where your money is going. Take a week to review your spending. Look for small leaks like daily coffee runs, streaming services you barely use, or impulse buys. Cutting even $5 to $10 a day can add up to hundreds each month. Redirect that money into your emergency fund. You will be surprised how fast it grows once you become intentional. Step 6 is to find ways to boost your income. Saving is great, but earning more can supercharge your progress. Look into side hustles, freelancing, selling unused items online, or even using cashback apps that give you money back for your purchases. Any extra cash you earn can go straight into your emergency fund. Think of it like planting seeds today that will protect you tomorrow. Step 7 is staying consistent and patient. Building an emergency fund takes time. There will be moments when you will be tempted to use that money for non-emergencies. That's where discipline comes in. Ask yourself, is this a need or a want? If it's not a true emergency, leave your fund alone. Remember, emergencies are unpredictable, but your preparation does not have to be. Now, let's talk about maintaining your emergency fund. Once you have reached your target, it's important to keep it at that level. If you ever use part of it for a real emergency, make it a priority to replenish it as soon as possible. Also, review your expenses every 6 months. If your lifestyle or income changes, your emergency fund goal might need to adjust too. For instance, if you move to a more expensive city or take on new financial responsibilities, you will want to increase that cushion. A great trick to stay motivated is to visualize what having that safety net means for you. Imagine the calmness of knowing you are prepared, no matter what happens. No more panic when your car needs repairs or when your company dies. You will have control, and that's the real power of saving for emergencies. Let's not forget mindset. Many people think saving for emergencies is negative. It was like you are preparing for something bad. But really, it's the opposite. You are building strength, security, and confidence. You are setting yourself up to handle life like a pro. Instead of worrying about what if, you will be saying, "I got this." And here's a bonus tip. Name your savings account. something motivational, like Peace Fund or My Safety Net. It might sound small, but psychology plays a huge role in saving money. When you attach positive meaning to your goal, you are more likely to stick with it. Another key strategy is to avoid mixing your emergency fund with other savings goals. Keep it separate from your vacation or investment accounts. This helps you stay disciplined and clear about what that money is for. Lastly, celebrate your progress. Every milestone matters, whether it's your first $500 or your full 6-month target. Take a moment to appreciate how far you have come. Building financial security takes dedication, and every deposit is a step closer to freedom. So, to recap, start small, save consistently, automate your savings, keep your money in a safe account, cut unnecessary expenses, boost your income, and most importantly, stay patient and focused. With time, you will not only have an emergency fund, but also a solid financial foundation that supports every other goal you have. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to RichMap. Your support helps us create more content to guide you toward financial freedom. And remember, true wealth is not about how much you make. It's about how well you manage what you have. Thanks for watching RichMap. Stay prepared, stay smart, and I will see you in the next video.